Hi everyone. Ali here from Samser Creative. In this video I'm going to show you one of the important tips and tricks when creating a digital planner. Keep watching until the end of the video, I have a special gift for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Autofilling dates into your digital planner is very easy with InDesign and Microsoft Excel. There is no need for scripts, data merge, or complex tools. I want to first show you the final result for today's video. As you see, we have all dates flowing from one page to the next across all pages without having to write each one individually. In order to do that, first we need to make a daily planner layout in Canva. I won't be starting from scratch because that's not the focus of this video. Instead, I'll be utilizing a pre-made template. So go to canva.com. Click Create Design. Choose A4 document. Head over to the Design tab on the side panel. Type Daily Planner. I will choose one of these templates and export it as PNG file. Now, our next step involves creating a new document in InDesign. Make sure it matches the dimensions of my daily planner's layout. Open InDesign and click New File. In the Print tab, choose the A4 size. I'll pick a portrait layout and turn off facing pages. Then click Create. I need to include additional pages in my document. Navigate to the Page panel. Right-click. Choose Insert Pages and enter 365. With the addition of 365 pages, the total now is 366, which corresponds to the number of days in the year 2024. At the top here we have the A parent, which is applied to all these pages. If you see the letter A here, it means that any object on the A parent will be visible on this page as well. Now double-click on A parent, go to File and select Place. Or you can simply use Ctrl+D. Select the design we created using Canva earlier and click on Open. Now we have what's called a loaded cursor. Navigate to the top left corner. Click when the cursor turns white. The image will automatically fit the entire page. Lock the image to ensure that it remains in its current position and cannot be accidentally modified. If you navigate to the pages, you'll notice that each one includes the daily planner image. The next step is to customize and set up the text style for dates. Head to the Text tool in the left toolbar, then draw a text box. Type the text you want and then customize the size and font style to achieve the perfect fit for your layout. Select the text and go to Paragraph Style. Click the plus button to add new style. If you don't see paragraph styles on your side panel, just go to Window, then Styles, and finally Paragraph Style. Step 1. Set up the linked text frames. In order to ensure a seamless flow of text throughout multiple pages, we need to set up linked text frames. These are the linked text frames. These lines indicates that these text frames are connected, allowing the text to flow seamlessly from one frame to another, even across various pages. To create these frames, follow these steps. First, go to office.com. After logging in, click on Excel in the left side panel. Then click Blank Workbook. An Excel sheet will open for you. I need to create an Excel sheet with 366 lines or more. Go to the first cell A1 and type T or any word or letter of your choice. Move to the corner of the cell. Click and drag to fill the rest of the cells. In my situation, I should do that all the way down until the cell A366. But I have an easier way to do it. Go to the name box and type A1 and colon and A366. Press Ctrl+D on the keyboard. And there you have it. The entire range is filled with the letter T. Lastly, go to File, then Save As, then download a copy. That was the first step you need to do. After that, go to your InDesign file. Click Text tool and delete the text in text box. Now move this text box frame from page 1 to the parent page and paste it in place. Before starting the text flow, let's make sure of two things. Go to Edit, Preferences, Type, and ensure that Smart Text Flow is unchecked. Also, from the parent page, right-click on the text box and ensure that Allow Parent Item Override is enabled. Now, go to page 1 where you want to start your text flow. Select Style 1. Go to File, click Place, select the downloaded Excel sheet and click Open. When you hover the loaded text icon over the text frame, the cursor changes with parentheses around the icon. If you hold down your Shift key, you'll notice a small snake icon. This indicates that clicking will add pages and frames until all the text is flowed into your document. If you hold down Shift+Alt, you'll see a small arrow icon. It means all the text will flow into the document, adding frames as needed without adding pages. Any extra text is marked as overset. Okay, let's click now and see the result. Verify no pages are added to the documents. Now we have what we call the linked text frames. Check their connection by going to View, Extras, Show Threads. The final step is to select all the text and delete it. After creating linked text frame, let's generate a list of all the dates of the year. To do that, go back to Excel. In cell B1, type January 1st, 2024. In cell B2, type equals, then select the cell above and type +1 and then press Enter on your keyboard. And now you can see we have January 1st and January 2nd. Move to the corner of the cell, click, and drag to fill the remaining cells. In my situation, I need to do this all the way down to cell B366, but there is a simpler method. go to the name box and type B2 : then type B366. And press Ctrl+D on the keyboard. Or simply double-click on the corner of cell B2. Now, we have a list of all the dates for the year 2024. I can make the dates look the way I want by using the text function. Before applying it, ensure that the regional format for Excel on the web is set to United States. Now, in cell C1, type =text. Click Text. Select the date. Type a comma. Write 4 letters for the letter D enclosed in double quotation marks. Close the bracket. So we have now the date name Monday because January 1st, 2024 falls on that day. Let's try 3 letters for the letter D enclosed in double quotation marks. Let's try 2 letters for the letter D now. So I think you understand the concept. Alright, to get the month of that day, I simply type 4 letters for the letter M enclosed in double quotation marks. Let's try 3 letters for the letter M. Let's try 2 letters for the letter M now. I think you understand how text function work. Now, the challenging part begins. How do I write the dates like this? First, write 4 D letters enclosed in double quotation marks. Next, add the ampersand. Next, 2 space in double quotation marks. Next, add the ampersand. Add a comma in double quotation marks. Then, add the ampersand. Add 2 space in double quotation marks. Next, add the ampersand. Add 4 letters for the letter M enclosed in double quotation marks, then add the ampersand. Add 2 space in double quotation marks. Next, add the ampersand. Add 2 letters for the letter D enclosed in double quotation marks, next add the ampersand. Add 2 space in double quotation marks. Then add the ampersand. Add a comma in double quotation marks. Then add the ampersand. Lastly, add 4 letters for the letter Y, enclosed in double quotation marks, and hit Enter. Double-click in the left corner of the cell to autofill all dates up to December 31st. Now, the list of all dates has been generated. Select the entire list using the method I mentioned earlier. Right-click and copy the selected list. Before we jump to the final step, a big thanks for sticking around and watching the video until now. Here's a little gift for you, this year's digital planner. Click the link in the description box below. If you like it, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Finally, head to InDesign, double-click on page 1 and paste the list into the text frame. Adjust the text box size to fit the longest text in the list. Make sure to do it from the parent page. Also, don't forget to check the last page. If the video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like a tutorial on auto-flowing text for weekly pages, drop a yes in the comments below. Thanks for watching.